Hello and welcome to Diya's Funplay. There are different types of waste management systems. In today's video, we'll try to understand what is a dustbin waste management system. A dustbin waste management system is a way to dispose of waste using color-coded dustbins. This system can use different types of dustbins with different colors for collecting different types of waste. Smart dustbins can also use technology to monitor, collect and recycle waste more efficiently. Advanced smart dustbins can also start segregating and recycling as soon as the wastes are dumped in. Dustbins help us prevent waste from accumulating in public and private spaces. They also help us by keeping the environment clean and healthy by preventing waste from contaminating our environment. Segregating waste is very important for waste management. Humans create many varieties of waste every day, and if these wastes are not sorted into separate categories or dustbins, it becomes difficult to manage or dispose of them. Waste segregation can help us identify different categories of waste such as recyclable, non-recyclable, compostable, hazardous, upcycled materials, electronic and medical waste, and general waste. Unsorted and toxic waste in landfills is a serious issue in our country that is affecting the whole ecosystem. We, as responsible citizens, need to understand the importance of waste segregation and dispose of waste in a proper way. Understanding the different color codes of dustbins is crucial for proper waste management to help preserve the natural world. There are many different color codes for dustbins based on its use. However, please be noted that different regions in India and countries around the world follow different color codes for dustbins. They might not match with the color codes that I have shown in my model. If you're confused with the dustbin color codes in your locality, you can get in touch with your local authorities to understand the different color codes in your region. Each and every waste has its own characteristics that need unique disposal methods and time frames for disposing them. Some wastes are not toxic, whereas some are highly toxic and harmful to the environment and human health. So, it's very important to learn different dustbin color codes and dispose of waste accordingly. Red bins are often used for disposing of common household items that are neither recycled nor composted. For example, plastics, non-biodegradable items, plastic medical waste, chemicals, pesticides, batteries, and items that are not suitable for recycling and composting are thrown into red bins. Even throwing off a small used battery in the wrong dustbin can have negative impacts on the environment and human health. Keep in mind that batteries contain hazardous metals and chemicals that can pollute water sources and the air that we breathe. Yellow bins are mostly used for thrashing waste that can be recycled to create new products. Some examples are paper, cardboard, recyclable plastic items, newspapers, magazines, cardboard boxes, etc. These bins can be used to help recycling, reduce power consumption, and minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills or incinerators. Orange bins are often used to collect glass items, mirrors, broken glass pieces, etc. These glass items are recycled to recreate new glass items. Pale green bins are often used for disposing of electronic waste or e-waste. Some of these waste can be upcycled and recycled for producing new parts. Items like old computers, laptops, mobile phones, tablet PCs, televisions, headphones, and other electronic items and their parts can be disposed into these bins. Recent study shows that e-waste is increasing in India with a compounding rate of 10%, thereby contributing a major role in pollution in our country. We can prevent land and water contaminants by disposing of e-waste in a proper way. Blue bins are often used to collect organic waste that are biodegradable, such as vegetable waste, fruit waste, garden waste, animal waste, and more. This dustbin is mostly used in kitchens where large amounts of plant-based organic waste are created. These wastes are used for composting and producing organic manures. Items like eggshells, food leftovers, plant waste, vegetable and fruit waste, red meat, etc. can be thrown into blue bins. Dark blue bins are often used to dispose of metallic parts such as metallic building materials, used metal vessels and dishes, etc.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. Yes, Funplay.